Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming device compatibility and power. Make sure the camera supports Wi-Fi and the charging pad or wireless charger works with the camera. Plug the charger and charge the camera to above 50% so you avoid interruptions. Once charged, power the camera on and enable its Wi-Fi or pairing mode. This step creates the camera's hotspot or allows it to scan for networks. While you do that, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings so you can switch networks when prompted. Once done with powering and enabling Wi-Fi, connect the phone to the camera's hotspot or launch the camera app to start the pairing wizard. Follow prompts. Select your home SSID, enter the correct password, and choose 4 GHz if the camera requires it. The app will send network credentials to the camera so it can join your router. This is why you must allow local network permissions. Wait for the confirmation message and verify the camera shows an IP address in the app before proceeding. You finish by placing the camera on the charger and confirming the charging LED lights and the live stream is visible in the app. This proves both power and network are working. Make sure to set a strong app password, update firmware, and configure recording or motion zones so the camera behaves as you expect. If something goes wrong, try a simple restart of camera, router, and phone. If that fails, re-enter Wi-Fi details or perform a factory reset as a last resort to clear pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.